Hey guys, it's Maya, 19 years old, and right now, I'm here guys sa event ng Sosgals, and what I do here is I am a member of their collective, and what I do is I interview people, and I guess you guys seen and watch all of our videos, especially my interviews. So, tara samahan niyo.
You know what I'm saying? This is actually the team. Red fucking Euphoria. What's up, Nardi?
First I go whip out the bow. No, I can't hit on no brakes. My life is out of control. I'm telling you, nobody's safe. I've been living my life limbo. My ice, it came with a train. I'm so high, gotta have my face. This not a rockstar face. I'm an emo, thug in my face. Zero, 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 zero. Tell her to go change.
How's my day? It's great actually. Um, Tawag dito, nag-dress up lang talaga ako for tonight and ayun, nag-interview lang din ako ng mga tao here sa studio and I'm really happy na ano, um, I can spend my 14 here with my friends. Um, yes, super, super, especially ngayon kasi before way back ano pa, last year and last year, wala akong nakakasama tuwing 14 but ngayong 14 meron kasi meron akong boyfriend.
Common? Well, mostly na sinasabi nila sa akin na ayun nga na babaeng para sa lahat ako, gano'n. Tapos, hindi ako seryoso sa mga relationship, which is wrong, di ba? Alam nyo guys, kapag talagang nakita nyo ako na in love, and kahit yung mga followers ko guys sa IG, kasi sa IG kasi ako active eh, doon nila nakikita kung gaano ko i-flex yung man ko, yung boyfriend ko, and kung paano ko talaga, and kahit guys tanongin nyo lahat ng exes ko, ayan, like legit talaga, lahat talaga sila tinatrato ko ng tama. That's how I am.
For me, trust. Yun, trust talaga kasi meron talaga ako siyempre may mga traumas ako before sa mga exes ko. So, sobrang hirap. Pero kahit naman gano'n 'no, sa present ko, I still trust him despite all the traumas na naranasan ko. Siyempre, iba naman siya sa mga past ko, 'di ba? And ano na rin, public image ko. Ayun, siyempre yung mga past ko, though sinasabi nila na wala silang pakialam sa mga tao, sa mga na sinasabi nila na they're not affected by all the comments, hate comments. Pero siyempre andun pa rin yung guilt, yung guilt na parang, kinakaya ba ng boyfriend ko 'to, na yung mga sinasabi ng tao, yun. So yun lang naman. First is ano, disregard ko na yung physical since di talaga importante talaga sa'kin yun. Um, someone someone who values me, someone who understands my background, everything about me, my life, me personally, no, na intindihan nila kung ano yung nararamdaman ko at kung ano yung background ko, family ko man yan or social media, which is yun nga, dahil meron akong scandal. And matapang, matapang like me. Siyempre gusto ko yung tao na ipaglalaban yung relationship, 'di ba? As much as I do. So, what else? Someone who's gentle. Kasi ano, lumaki ako guys sa toxic household. Sa mga tao na paligid ko is 'yun, sobrang toxic and gusto ko ng tao na makakasama ko, yung magiging partner ko is magiging safe place, na I can show my vulnerable side. Love language ko is physical touch and quality time. And sa guy naman, kung anong ibibigay niya sa akin, love language is words of affirmation. In my opinion, when it comes to Gen Zs, they struggle a lot sa relationship. I think kasi ano eh, domino effect talaga siya. Kung hindi, based on my observations talaga, is marami talaga ngayon yung mga trippings. 'Di ba? Like they're FUBU, marami sa kanila nag-explore, 'di ba? Yung iba po pasok sa relationship for fun. Yung iba naman is they don't um do relationship, 'di ba? Gagawa lang gagawa sila ng mga like mga relationship goals ganyan or mga relationship basta ginagawa ng mga partners but they're not in a relationship. And something na nakakaapekto talaga is it affects the mental health of other people which is yung mga nila, 'di ba? So yung mga nakaka-interact nila with that doings is nagiging fucked up yung mental health and then nagkakaroon sila ng trauma and then ayun hanggang sa paulit-ulit na lang guys, hanggang cycle na lang hindi hindi nagkakaroon ng matinong relationship mostly yung mga tao which is yung mga Gen Z kasi nga they lose trust especially ngayon. So that's what I think and that's my opinion. Okay, so my advice for all the Gen Zs when it comes to love, um, iba't iba-iba, okay, ang environment na kinalakihan ng mga magiging partner natin. So, 'wag natin silang, alam mo 'yun, tignan as a one. Kumbaga yung sinasabi nila na all men are the same or all girls are the same, stop with that. Let's trust our partner if ever man. Like, ba't ka naman papasok sa relationship if you guys don't trust them, di ba? So, in the first place, dapat there is a trust and also, um, if it didn't work, it didn't work. You know, it is what it is. Let's stand with that.